Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, I just filmed this intro without actually recording. Tells you I've been going all day. So, today's video is going to be a cook, clean, and organize with me. I'm doing a crock pot recipe, which I've showed before in videos, but I'm making it again because it sounds really good. So, for tonight, so yeah. And I will leave the recipe somewhere in the cards. And other than that, let's just get started. Okay, so I filmed this a few days previous to everything else that I filmed, but the first thing I'm doing is organizing my chronic illness binder. I need to do this at least once a month, but to be honest, I don't. So I just kind of started going through and taking out like old appointment summaries and old notes, and I keep them, but I don't want to keep them in this binder as this binder was getting really full, and I don't need notes from a doctor that are over 2 years old. So I just went through and did that and kept all my extra page protectors in the back because I will have more forms to put in here before too long. Video on how I set up my chronic illness binder, so if you want to see that, I will link that in the cards somewhere, hopefully within this clip. Okay, so today I'm going to organize the junk drawers, as you can see why, because this one didn't want to open. And I don't know if junk drawers are an everywhere thing, or if it's just like America or what. So let me know, do you have a junk drawer? Or two? We used to have 3. This one used to be a junk drawer as well, and we redid some stuff, and well, it's just like a random kitchen drawer that just fits all the stuff that wouldn't fit in another one. So I'm going to start with this one, or I might just clean them both out and go from there, but I'm planning on making one like an office drawer and one like a tool random actual like junk drawer. We'll see what actually happens. Okay, so this box holds the content of both those drawers. The lighting's a little messed up because of the sun, so yeah, there we go. But now I'm going to go through this box and just kind of place stuff back into both the drawers. And I did put some stuff up here, the smaller stuff that I don't want to lose. And there were so many loose thumbtacks, it was ridiculous. And I just put all the loose ones in this little thumbtack thing. Okay, so now this is what they look like. This drawer is the tool drawer. You're gonna have to dig in it. You're gonna have to, because there's tons of little light bulbs and other things. So that's as organized as that one's gonna get. This one is like the office drawer: scissors, calculator, pens, markers, random cards that we don't use every day, but we do use on occasion. Yeah, right. Thumbtacks, tape, post-it notes, little stickies, other little stickies. And these are just in here because they wouldn't fit in that drawer. So, yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to get on to the cleaning, and I'm going to do the dishes. And then after I do the dishes, I'm going to start on a crock pot meal. Okay, and through the magic of editing, the dishes are done. We had a lot this day. We don't usually have that much, so yeah. And I was not going to film as I did them because I don't like doing the dishes, and it's a pain in the butt to film when you're doing them. And then after I got that done, I had to take out the trash. Like, usually this is my dad or my brother's job, but this day it was mine. And I only put one trash bag back in the little can because the next day was garbage day, and I knew if I put the big bag in the big can, that would be filled up. So after I took out the trash and put the bags back, I'm starting on my crock pot meal. I'm just doing chicken enchilada soup. I've done this a few times in a few different videos. I'll try and remember to link the video in the cards of the video with the actual recipe in it. I kind of showed you here, but I didn't think about the lighting at the time, so you can't really see everything. And I forgot to get a clip of what it looks like after it's done. But if you want to know what it looks like when it's done, you can just go check out the recipe video in the cards. Okay, so after I got the crock pot started and actually going, I decided to crush the cans. I wish I would have showed you the before shot of how many cans we had on the table, but I didn't, so yes, I'm just crushing. It didn't take as long as I thought it would, and this is sped up, so it took a little bit longer than this clip, but yeah. And this can crusher, it worked great when we first got it. It doesn't really work so great now without holding the can and doing it really slow, so yeah. But that's what I'm doing here. And then when I get done with this, I'm going to go and go through some of my clothes in my room. I was just meaning to organize these, and I decided, you know what, while I'm going through to organize, I'm just going to take out whatever I'm not wearing or what I don't think I'm wearing. And then I realized a lot of these t-shirts get worn more as it gets warmer, and since it's still somewhat chilly here, I just didn't get rid of any t-shirts. I did get rid of a few things in my closet, and I went through a bin of workout pants that I have not worn yet and got rid of a few of those. And I do show you what I got rid of. So I got rid of 3 pairs of workout pants. I'll probably get rid of more, to be completely honest, when I go through and switch out long pants for short pants. And I got rid of a matching bra for a pair of the leggings, because the bra just never really fit me right. I just had to wash it before I could put it in the donate bag. I got rid of a jacket that I never wear, and then a dress shirt that just doesn't fit right. Okay, so that is it for this cook, clean, and organize with me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not done so already, hit the red subscribe button down below. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.